Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here Professional Trifold Brochures design for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Here 3 membership plan, one for 1 month or 30 days, here 90 days, and here lifetime membership. Okay, so you see here just for preview, and here inside outside in PSD file for Photoshop. You can use or customize in Photoshop, but these files are CMYK color. That's mean you can print. You can put your own design here and put your title or your business offer. Doctor Hospital USA. Inside and outside. All files are fully editable for Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.